Top 5 Crypto to Invest in 2023. Crypto is revolutionizing the way we think about money. And with the market projected to continue growing at a rapid pace, now is the time to invest. According to a recent report by market analysts, the global crypto market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 11.2% between 2021 and 2026. And with more institutional investors entering the space, the potential for gains is higher than ever. So which digital assets should you be investing in? Hello and welcome to our channel Income Mastery, where we share the latest strategies and insights on how to generate income and revenue through various means. Today, we're going to discuss the top 5 cryptocurrencies that you should consider buying in 2023. Make sure to watch until the end, as you don't miss out one of the most impressive crypto projects I've ever seen. Crypto investments are not for the faint-hearted, however. The market is highly volatile and subject to sudden fluctuations, with rapid rises and steep declines in value. But for those who are willing to take the risk, the potential for significant gains is immense. With the rise of Bitcoin in 2009, cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm with their decentralized, secure, and borderless nature. But it's not just Bitcoin that has been making waves in the crypto space. New projects and technologies are emerging every day, offering unique solutions to real-world problems and attracting a growing community of investors. But which ones are worth keeping an eye on? And which ones should you consider investing in? Let's find out. Coming in at number 5, we have Polkadot. This next-generation blockchain platform, which was launched in 2020, is designed to enable interoperability between different blockchain networks. What does that mean? Well, it means that Polkadot has the ability to connect multiple blockchains together, allowing for seamless communication between them. This is a game changer for the crypto industry, as it allows for greater scalability and flexibility in building decentralized applications. But what makes Polkadot stand out as a top crypto investment for 2023? It's not just the innovative technology behind the platform, but also the strong and vibrant community of developers, investors, and supporters who are driving its growth. With a focus on building a more open and connected blockchain ecosystem, Polkadot's community-driven approach is a key factor in its success. What kind of projects and applications can we expect to see on the Polkadot network? How does the platform's interoperability feature make it easier to build decentralized applications? And how will Polkadot's community continue to drive innovation in the years to come? These are just a few of the questions that investors and crypto enthusiasts may have as they consider the potential of Polkadot. As one of the most promising crypto investments for 2023, Polkadot is certainly a project to keep an eye on. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started in the crypto world, Polkadot is definitely worth considering for your portfolio. At number 4 on our list is Chainlink. This decentralized Oracle network is changing the game by providing real-world data to smart contracts on the blockchain. With the explosive growth of decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, Chainlink is positioned for massive gains in the coming years. But what exactly is a decentralized Oracle network? A decentralized Oracle network is a system that enables smart contracts on the blockchain to interact with real-world data in a secure and reliable way. In the context of blockchain technology, a smart contract is a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. The issue with smart contracts is that they operate within the blockchain network and have no direct connection to external sources of information or data outside the network. This is where a decentralized Oracle network comes in. It acts as a bridge between the blockchain and the outside world, allowing smart contracts to access real-world data, such as market prices, weather information, or stock prices. For investors seeking cutting-edge technology and the potential for big profits, Chainlink is a project that cannot be ignored. With its unique position in the DeFi landscape, it's no wonder that Chainlink is one of the top crypto investments for 2023. Stay tuned for more updates on how Chainlink's technology is evolving and how this dynamic project will continue to impact the world of crypto. If you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, keep an eye on Chainlink. When it comes to fast, secure, and censorship-resistant blockchain platforms, Solana is a name that cannot be overlooked. This digital asset has caught the attention of investors and experts alike due to its impressive technology and growing ecosystem. In fact, Solana has already seen a massive increase in popularity, with its market capitalization skyrocketing from $200 million in January 2021 to over $40 billion in February 2022. But what makes Solana so unique? Well, for starters, it can handle up to 65,000 transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchain platforms on the market. Additionally, Solana's innovative consensus mechanism, called Proof of History (POH), allows for lightning-fast transaction times without sacrificing security. With its impressive technology and growing list of partners and applications, Solana is undoubtedly a promising investment for 2023 and beyond. Taking the number 2 spot on our list is Ethereum. Ethereum is now 8 years old, but in that short time frame since its launch on July 30, 2015, a lot has happened. In just a short time, Ethereum has become the most widely used blockchain network in the world. Its native cryptocurrency, Ether, has also risen in popularity and is now the second largest digital currency by both market capitalization and daily trading volume. One of the reasons it's so popular is because of its incredible smart contract capabilities, which are enabling developers to create innovative applications and systems. Additionally, Ethereum has a thriving and growing community of developers who are constantly working on new ways to improve and enhance the platform. With all of these positive features, it's easy to see why Ethereum is a great long-term investment opportunity. It's truly remarkable to see how Ethereum has grown and evolved over the years. As the demand for blockchain technology and decentralized applications continues to rise, we can only expect even more exciting developments and innovations from Ethereum and its community of developers. So if you're looking for a promising cryptocurrency with a strong track record and a lot of potential for growth, Ethereum is definitely one to keep on your radar. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come to unveil the #1 cryptocurrency to invest in for 2023, and it's no surprise that Bitcoin has claimed the throne. As the world's first and largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has paved the way for the entire industry and continues to dominate the market with a current market capitalization of over $1 trillion. One of the key factors that make Bitcoin an attractive investment for 2023 is its limited supply. With only 21 million Bitcoin ever to be mined, the scarcity of this digital asset is a significant factor in driving its value higher. In fact, many experts predict that Bitcoin's price could reach $500,000 or more by 2025. But it's not just the limited supply that makes Bitcoin a must-have in any crypto portfolio. The increasing adoption of Bitcoin by institutions such as PayPal, Square, and Tesla is a clear indication that this digital asset is here to stay. In 2021 alone, institutions purchased over 500,000 Bitcoin, which is almost double the amount mined during the same period. Furthermore, the recent global economic turmoil has led many investors to seek refuge in Bitcoin, which is considered a safe haven asset due to its decentralized nature and lack of correlation with traditional financial markets. This trend is expected to continue in 2023 and beyond, further driving up the value of Bitcoin. If you're looking for a safe and reliable investment in the crypto space, Bitcoin is undoubtedly the top choice for 2023. Its limited supply, increasing institutional adoption, and status as a safe haven asset make it a must-have in any investor's portfolio. There you have it, folks, the top 5 cryptocurrencies to invest in 2023. These digital assets offer unique benefits and present exciting opportunities for investors seeking to diversify their portfolios and reap the rewards of the rapidly evolving crypto market. Whether you're seeking a lightning-fast and secure blockchain platform such as Solana or a renowned cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, this list has something for everyone. But it's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies comes with risks, and it's crucial to do your own research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. The crypto market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly, so it's essential to have a long-term investment strategy and a strong stomach for risk. In conclusion, the world of cryptocurrencies is continually evolving, and the top performers of today may not be the same as those of tomorrow. However, by keeping a close eye on the market and making informed decisions, you can position yourself for success and potentially reap significant rewards in the years to come. That concludes today's video. Please share your thoughts on the video in the comments section And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from us.